Welcome to this guided visualization. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. With each breath, allow yourself to relax more and more, letting go of any tension or distractions. This is your time to focus on your dreams and goals. Now, I would like you to imagine yourself standing in a vast white space. There is nothing around you, no walls, no ground, no sky, just an infinite blank canvas. This space is yours to create the life you desire. Begin to picture your goal as if it has already been achieved. What does it look like? Where are you? Who is with you? Slowly add details to this scene. See yourself living your dream, whether it is a thriving career, a healthy body, a loving relationship, or something else entirely. Notice the colors, the objects, and everything around you. Make this vision as clear and vibrant as possible. Imagine every detail of this moment when your goal is already yours. Now that you can see your goal clearly, let's bring it to life with sound. Listen closely. What do you hear in this moment of success? Is there an applause from a crowd that is celebrating your achievement? It could be the sound of laughter from loved ones. Or perhaps it's the peaceful hum of the nature around you. Let these sounds fill your space and amplify your sense of accomplishment. Notice how they make you feel. Do they bring excitement, joy, or maybe peace? Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. What scents surround you in this moment? Maybe it's the aroma of fresh flowers at an event celebrating your success, or the salty tang of ocean air if you're standing by the sea. Or perhaps there is the comforting smell of coffee in your new office space. or the sweetness of fruit from a nearby tree. Let these scents deepen your connection to this vision and make it feel even more real. Now imagine that you're tasting something that represents this moment of achievement. Perhaps it is a celebratory meal, a sip of champagne, a bite of fresh fruit, or something else that feels special to you. Savor this taste as if it's happening right now. Let it remind you that success is sweet and worth savoring. Now reach out and touch something in this scene. Feel the firmness of a handshake congratulating you on your accomplishment, or the softness of fabric from an outfit you're wearing for this occasion. Maybe you're running your fingers across an award or holding something meaningful in your hands. A book you have written, a key to a new home or your car, or anything else tied to your success. Now, take a step forward in this space. Feel the ground beneath your feet, whether it's soft grass, smooth tiles, or warm sand. Notice how the textures feel under your foot as you walk around and explore this world where your goal has been achieved. As you experience this vibrant world with all five senses engaged, notice how it makes you feel emotionally. Do you feel proud, grateful, excited, confident? Let the emotions rise within you and fill every part of your being. This is what achieving your goal feels like. Hold on to that feeling. Know that if you can see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, and feel it in your mind, then it is possible for you to create it in reality. Take one last look around at this world where your goal has been achieved. Know that this vision is always within reach. You can return here anytime to remind yourself of what's possible. When you're ready, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently as you bring awareness back to the present moment. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. Take a moment now to reflect on what came up for you during this exercise. What did achieving your goal look like? How did it feel? What emotions stood out most strongly? Thank yourself for taking this time to focus on what truly matters to you. And remember that every step forward brings you closer to making this vision a reality.